Hey folks, Ryan here. It's a big day, a monumental day in history. I'm picking up my car back from service. So, I want to get an oil change done, which I did. Apparently they redid the spark plugs, flushed the oil, and big reason I wanted to have the service was because there was condensation in my headlight. I will be showing you photos here of what that looked like. And I was kind of a little nervous. I was reading in the forums that, you know, other people were having issues with the same thing in regards to having condensation in their headlights, so it being pretty extreme. We've been having tons and tons of rain recently, so I figured maybe I should go and ask them to check it out and see if it would be covered under warranty. And thankfully I just got a call saying it is. They are going to replace my front driver's side headlight. Issue is they're gonna have to wait until it is shipped over here from California because they don't have it in stock. But they did allow me to have my car be unlocked, not unlocked, but released, so given to me. So we're on our way to go pick it now up at BMW of Ramsey, and I cannot wait to see my baby again. I haven't seen it in
like one day.
And I'm getting withdrawal symptoms, you know. It's just, you don't know how much you miss your car until you don't have it. So we're gonna go on our way there, cruise up nicely, and I will show you guys the process once I get there. So hang on tight. Can you see it, guys? The Golden Gates, BMW of Ramsey, my home. Yeah, I give these guys a lot of money, unfortunately. But yeah, we're pulling in right now with the Integra. I park in the front and walk into service, and they should pull the car out for us to grab, and we should be on our merry way. Hopefully parking here. Looks like we got a good spot.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, I will update you when we get the car.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, this is it. I got my baby back. It looks like they washed her all nice and clean. Looking good. All spiffy. Yeah, so that's it. They didn't really do a good job in the back, but it's fine. I'll clean it again, I'm sure. But yeah, so looks like everything was covered here. Multi-point inspection. They did an oil change service. They did brake fluid service, air filter, oil filter, and spark plugs. So they did quite a lot. And I am getting the headlight replaced soon. Looks like it's still foggy and condensated, as you see here. So they're just waiting on that to come back from, I believe, California, where they have it getting shipped in from, and then we can go from there. But see over there, looks like there is a Frozen Brilliant White M3 that has some body work done to it, or needs to get done to it. But my baby's back. They also cleaned the interior, which is really nice. And oh wow, they moved my seat and everything. Alrighty, but I'm just gonna head home. Very happy to be back in my car, and super excited. So great work.